If you want to bold text in Telegram, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're sending an important message, emphasizing a word, or making your posts look cleaner and more readable, Telegram makes it very simple. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. To bold text in Telegram, all you need to do is type 2 asterisks before and after the words you want to make bold. For example, if you want the word hello to appear in bold, you would type hello, exactly like that. The key thing here is to make sure there are no empty spaces between the asterisks and your text. So don't type hello, because that won't work the way you want it to. Instead, keep it tight and clean with the asterisks directly attached to the word. Once you've typed your message with the asterisks in place, simply click Send. Telegram will automatically format that text in bold when it appears in the chat. This works great for highlighting important points, making announcements stand out, or adding a little more structure to your messages. If you're typing a longer sentence and only want one part bold, just place the double asterisks around the exact words you want emphasized. For example, you could write something like, please read this carefully with the middle words formatted for emphasis. It's a very fast method, and once you get used to it, you'll probably use it all the time. So to recap, type 2 asterisks before and after your text, avoid spaces, and then send a message. That's all it takes to bold text in Telegram. If this quick tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more simple Telegram tips.